Alright, so what I do is pretty much just put make sure a glob over here. I like to put like kind of a good amount, enough glob, right? And then I do another one. I don't want them incredibly right there, and then just try to put it all over right there. And I like to cover my glue up here. So my granddaughter says, "Is that real?" I said, "Yeah, it's real." How'd you put real crafts on there, Nani? Like that. And you can just kind of clean it up best you can. I have like little bits over here. Just watch your fingers. That one. These are really fun to do, you guys, and they're very relaxing. I like them because they're relaxing. Putting the dots on. Oops, sorry. But they're very easy, you know. And you can put, you know, a little sentiment there if you wanted to on the front. But I like them just like that. And I want to go ahead and cover all the blue that's on the bottom. You know what I have done on the bottom is I put brown paint on the bottom, so it looks like, it doesn't look like the sky is on the bottom. So that's something that you can do. So there you go. And then here's my little scissors. I kind of do this a little bit. Just kind of clean it up. And there you have it. That is the little mushroom ornament. And then I use, you can use twine. This twine. This is really nice. I'm going to use this, a little bit of this. Where is the roll? So I was watching It's a Wonderful Life, you guys. I had to get my mood in a better space. Sometimes, I don't know, you know, I had a really rough childhood. And so sometimes those of us who had some things happen during the holidays can be very triggering. And I know this, so a little self-care is something that we have to do. So, and there you have it. There's a beautiful little beautiful little mushroom ornament. All right, you guys. Well, I hope that was quick, was easy, and I hope you guys got something out of that, or you got the gist of that. And there you go, Wilhelmina. I did it. Finally, it took me forever, but I did it. And again, Wilhelmina, thank you for my journal. I've been showing it off to everybody. All right, you guys. I love you. I'll talk to you later. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, Happy Holidays, whatever holiday it is, okay? I hope you guys are enjoying your family. Bye.